Hey everyone, welcome to week 6 of middle school study skills. This is kind of a rundown of what we're doing each week. I combined both our virtual and in-person playlists, like our week in a nutshell, so just bear with me if you're a virtual student or a in-class student. If I'm kind of talking about the other class, just kind of listen. This week is the week of October 19th through the 23rd, so as always, you can come here to navigate to the different portions of our playlist. All right, for our virtual students on Monday, we have our optional Zoom from 9:30 to 10. As always, I really encourage you to tune in. We kind of talk about our learning, and I also clarify any questions for the week. Click on our Zoom link here, and it'll take you right into our Zoom. You can check out this video for what we're going to be talking about in class. It talks a little bit about learning styles and things like that. And also make sure you watch this week in a nutshell video. So for those of you that are coming to class on Tuesday, we'll do this next portion in class, but for virtual students, you're going to be doing this at home. You're going to be reading pages 44 through 47. So we're moving into a topic about learning styles, and there's lots of different theories on learning styles, but we're going to learn about three main learning styles, which are visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. So you're going to read pages 44 through 47 and highlight the important information. And for you virtual learners, you're going to complete page 48 and think about strategies that are helpful to different kinds of learners, and then also think about what strategies work for you. So for you in-class students, we'll be doing this in class on Tuesday, but for our virtual learners, you can go ahead and start this if you have some extra time Monday. For Tuesday, for our Tuesday homework for everyone, you're going to complete this online learning style quiz posted here. In class, we might get to this, but if not, it's located right here. It's about 20 questions, and it's going to tell you a little bit more about how you might learn best. You'll learn real quickly from our in-class material that lots of students have multiple ways they like to learn, but maybe they have one preferential way. So I want you to kind of take a look more at yourself and really think about what helps you become a better learner. So what helps you remember the information better. So as always, check our assignment posts for more details, but you're going to be completing page 49 from our study skills workbook. And basically what you're doing is you're going to take this quiz first posted here, and you're going to tell me what your dominant learning style is. So are you a visual learner? Are you an auditory learner? Or are you a kinesthetic learner? And then you're going to tell me if you agree or disagree with what you found out from this short little quiz, this online quiz. And then you're supposed to consider each of the VAK learning styles, so the different learning styles, and brainstorm and list all the learning strategies you can think of that are compatible with the learning mode, okay? So basically what it means, if you're a visual learner, how do visual learners learn best? Do they create graphs, charts? Do they create maps? So you're gonna find strategies, and you can find a lot of these strategies on page 48. You can also do a little research. Look up strategies for visual learners, strategies for auditory learners, strategies for kinesthetic learners, and then you're going to take a picture of this page after it's complete and put it on Google Classroom. All right, for Wednesday, we're moving on in our study skills book. And what you're going to do is you are going to kind of review all the information from our chapter, and you are going to fill out the rest of this parent or caregiver letter. And it's just like you've done before. You're using the content from our chapter and other things we've learned in class to fill in the blanks. And then what I want you to do is I want you to actually share this letter with somebody at home and have them sign anywhere on the letter. Obviously, you're signing on the sincerely portion, but parents can sign at the bottom. They can sign on the side. I just want to know that you actually shared what you learned from this week with your some adult at home. All right, for Thursday, you're going to really think about what type of learner you are, and maybe you're you're both visual and auditory. Okay, maybe you're kinesthetic, but you also are visual. You're going to think about what kind of learner you are, how you learn best, and you're going to create some kind of presentation about what type of learner you are, okay? You might create a poster. You might create a Google slide presentation. You might create radio podcast type things. So you might record yourself talking about what kind of learner you are. But you're actually going to be giving this presentation in class. It's just like a 1-minute presentation. We just want to learn more about you. Okay. You are going to, if you create a poster, you're going to actually hold your poster up, or we'll hang your poster in your share. If you create a Google slide presentation, you will kind of narrate your PowerPoint. We'll hook up your Chromebook to the projector, and you'll share what kind of learner you are, how you learn best, and some strategies that you find useful. If you prefer to share your video on Flipgrid, I invited everyone to join our Flipgrid classroom. That would be an option. That would be an option if you would like to, but we're actually going to share the video in class, okay? So this assignment is kind of a 2-day assignment. It only needs to be 1 minute of content. But if we take a look at Friday's learning post, you're really going to fine-tune your preferred learning style. You can create that poster, a slideshow, a video, write an essay, create an audio recording. So you're teaching us about what your preferred learning style is, but you're also using a method that works well for you to present. So everyone's project's going to look a little different. Whatever you choose to do, whether it be a visual presentation, you're talking in front of the class, you have yourself recorded and you're sharing your audio recording, it needs to be about 1 minute long. It can be a little longer. It can't be 30 seconds. It can't be 10 minutes, but really aim for that 1 minute mark. So some things that you're sharing in your video is you're going to share what your preferred learning style is. You're going to tell us a little bit about strategies that work for you. So for instance, if I would say I was an auditory learner, I might make a poster that says that I'm hearing dominant and that I acquire information best from listening to things. So since I learn best from my ears, or through my ears, the things I learn best from are lectures, discussions, read-alouds, podcasts, tape lectures, and then also incorporating music in my learning. So on my poster, I would have a big picture of an ear, and then I'd have headphones, and I'd have a teacher lecturing and that kind of thing. And then I'm also going to tell a little bit about ways that a teacher can help me learn better. So I might have something about how I learn best from group study and discussions, and putting things into words instead of always seeing everything. Okay, so you are going to share, once again, I'll repeat, you're going to share what kind of learner you are, some strategies that work for you and how you learn best. So it has to be about 1 minute long where you're going to share. As I said, everybody's project's going to look a little different, but you are going to create something to share with the class that highlights your preferred learning style. Okay, check the assignment post for specifics. There's some more details on what you need to include. It's pretty open-ended. As I said, you can use lots of different presentation models, and I'll repeat, you can do a slideshow, you can create a poster and share about it, you can make a video of yourself talking about your learning style, you could create like a cartoon video where you're just narrating it and there's pictures, you could write an essay to read, you could create an audio recording. It's kind of a twofold lesson. You're sharing a little bit more about yourself as a learner, but you're also sharing in a method that works well with your learning style. So contact me with any questions, but this assignment will take you both Thursday and Friday, and you'll just turn it in on that one Thursday, Friday assignment post. All right, have a great week.